Good day everyone, welcome back to another episode in my channel. I am Katrina and today join me in building a homemade kitchen, okay, using recycled materials. As you can see from behind, I am really very satisfied with this final product. So let me share with you why I decided to make my own kitchen instead of purchasing, okay. Firstly, there were carton box lying around and I decided to make full use of it. So it's a way to just throw away carton box. And next, because we usually have this box that keeps all the pots and pans and the plates inside the box, but you know what, every time when I open it, it is a mess. So I decided that, okay, I'm gonna build my son a kitchen, and all the pots and pans from the knives to cutleries and everything goes to this kitchen, and I can free up a little bit of space in my cupboard. Okay, so this is a really fast DIY project. It's not too difficult. All I need to do is to duct tape the two boxes together to form the base. And after I'm done, I just put up this tall carton box to make the second layer. And lastly, I just need to attach the paper clips to form the holes, okay? But beware, yeah, because of the paper clips, sometimes the sharp edges gets a little bit dangerous for your kids. So what you need to do is just to tape up the sharp edges. So here we have it, totally loving this DIY project. So I hope you like this video. I am Katrina and I look forward to bring you more fun content on this channel. Okay, introduce your kitchen, open the fridge. Open the fridge. Yay, and open the oven. Open the oven. Open the oven.
I open already.
Oven à? Xem另外一个。Okay, very good.